What's up, guys? Here's a little update on the 2011 Camry. Another year went by and it needed state inspection, and it actually needed a little work to pass inspection, so I'm not sure what's up with that. No, just kidding. Has a lot of miles on it, and here's the details. 11 Toyota Camry. It needed sway bar end links and the exhaust. Those were the two things that it needed. 370,000 miles, and as you can see by the rust on the fender, it is starting to rust. So the exhaust had rusted in two places, he said. The mechanic had two separate holes. They needed to repair that, and it needed sway bar end links. So the suspension is just worn out too. So wear and tear items and age is really all it comes down to. Besides that, I took a new sticker, no problem, and we're gonna continue to drive this thing. So I dumped the money into it. I figured it was nothing serious, and it should be a good car to keep going forward for 400,000 miles. So that's it, just a quick update. Have a good day.